Hey y'all, and welcome to day 12 of our 31-day challenge where we are cleaning clutter from our homes and getting ready for spring. You know, the one where I've placed the numbers 1 through 31 in this bag. Each day I shake it up, and whatever number I pull is the amount of numbers that I get rid of, and if you're following along, you get rid of in your home every single solitary day. And as we do this, we are preparing for spring. We are creating new energy, and it's just a great all-around feeling. And so I'm going to pull a number, but before I do, I just want to say, if you're looking for a place to start with cleaning, try the bathroom. There is lots of things in there that it's kind of like the bathroom is a magnet for expired stuff or things that we don't use. Yesterday, I had pulled the number 31, and I easily cleared 31 items out of the bathroom. And so I'm excited to see how many more items I can clear today. So let me shake the bag up and pull a number. You know, I got a lot of stuff in the bathroom that I can get rid of, so I really don't mind a high number today. Let's see what I got. Okay, the number is 18. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to see what's left in the bathroom from yesterday. Be back soon. And I'm back with my 18 items for today. This was by far the easiest. So I won't, like yesterday, I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but this is some of the stuff that I have in here. A curling iron, an old hairbrush, a bunch of fingernail polishes. I've elevated, I don't use these anymore, so a bunch of sponges, makeup, and some empty bottles. So again, if you're looking for a place to get items and get them quickly and make a good impact, because I got a lot of room now in the bathroom, but the bathroom is a great place to start. There's plenty of stuff in there for you to clean out. Until tomorrow, see you later. Have a good one, and keep cleaning and decluttering.